Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great start of this weekend. And welcome to this video on Liquity, or the Lqty token. Wanted to do a quick little update on that. It's been pretty bullish today, as you can see. We're up about 18% at the top. I think we were up like 25-30%, something like that from our bottom around 1.6. But yeah, so we're pretty bullish. Volume is amazing as well, around 130 million, which compared to the market cap is amazing. If you take a look at where that volume is coming from, most is coming from credible sources. The distribution is perhaps a little bit weird, but nothing to worry about, I'd say. So yeah, we'll take a look at Liquity, mostly based on the technicals. I think this was mostly a technical move. But apart from that, I mean, Liquity, as some of you know, it fits very well into certain narratives in crypto right now. With the LUSD, there's quite a lot with decentralized stablecoins. Some of them are quite bullish, like we've also seen with FractShare, which had a big bullish breakout before we had that drop Friday. But all right, so there's some fundamentals behind Liquity as well, but we'll focus on the technicals. Before we get into that, I want to tell you that if you want to receive daily trading signals and trading ideas and explanations behind that, and join our trading chat room, make sure to check out the links down in the pinned comments or the description. There are instructions on how to join. But now let's get into Liquity. So as I said, everything checks out fundamentally. However, as most of you know, we had a big bull run, right? When the whole Binance listing was there. Usually what happens after a run or a rally or a spike like this is that the price drops down to a major support level, which for Liquity seemed to have been 1.6, which is not that major of a support. I mean, it has a 0.382 FIB, but not much more. But at some point it's going to get a second rally. Usually this is a little bit of a smaller rally. There's always a small chance that the rally will continue, but usually a little bit of a smaller rally that after the rally will usually continue with the bearish momentum. So that seems to be the case for Liquity right now. All right, we found some strong support. Right now we reached up to this minor resistance level around 2.15. So now the big question is will we continue the second rally? Because sometimes you can actually continue the second rally and get another real rally, or will we continue with the drop, right? The drop from our top here at 2.85. And I think the latter is more likely. Right now we're dropping down to this support level at around 1.9 and 1.83, which is in the middle of this big gray key area. And I'm going to zoom in a little bit. I think that's better for you. All right, so we're going to drop down there and we're going to find support there. Oh, excuse me, that's a FIB level. We're going to drop down there, we're going to find support there. But from here, the one thing we would really need to do is like break above $2 again. So do something like this, break above $2, then find support there. If we can do that, we can rally again to 2.5, and who knows how high we can get. But 2.5 is still my first resistance level, 2.4, 2.5. But this, even though it's possible, okay, it's realistic, it's in my eyes just not the most likely scenario. I think this is like a 10-15% chance, and I think it's way more likely that based on the technicals, but also the fundamentals in the market and my experience with moves like these, I think it's more likely that we'll find some support here, but just take a break retest off of 1.95, $2, and continue dropping down towards 1.6, and then this major support between 1.45 and 1.5. Which I do think will hold, and perhaps we could even get another rally from there. It's a strong psychological support level, it's a strong key level altogether, and there's some EMAs coming there as well. So that might be interesting, but for now I do think we'll continue our drop all the way down there. So if you do have any questions about the analysis, if you want to discuss anything, let me know down in the comments. I'm always open for that. But for now, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.